Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to repost someone's Instagram story to your own. First, open the Instagram app. Then, go to the search page. Tap to open an account. Next, check their story. Here, click on Send button. Then tap on Share. Now, go back and tap on the three dots from the top. After this, go to the post of this particular account. Click on the send icon. Next, tap on Add to Story. One way to repost someone's story is to go to their Instagram story. Then take a screenshot of it. After this, tap to open your story. Now upload that screenshot here. Now click on your story from the bottom. And you're all done. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.